Mike Whiteside is a 22-year state employee, Murray Harder, a taxpayer, and Mike Ng, an elected state leader. All three claimed the state is wasting tens, maybe even hundreds of millions of taxpayer dollars.
It's ridiculous.
And I think that's a financial crime, frankly.
At issue is the state's hiring of private contractors to do state work.
Well, I don't know if the average taxpayer could be any more irritated with the legislature than they already are, but that probably would add just another reason to be irritated with our elected officials.
But Thomas Blackburn, head of a lobbying firm for private contractors, argues that private contractors are actually saving, not wasting millions of dollars.
There's no pension, there's no health care, there's no extra hours. We're just gone.
So who's right? The SEIU claims that right now the state is currently employing over 13,600 private contractors at a cost of nearly $35 billion.
In many cases, they do the same work that we do. They're sitting right next to us, and yet they're being paid a lot more.
How much more? The state's professional engineers union says the state's own paperwork shows private contract engineers are paid on average $232,000 a year versus just $103,000 a year for state engineers. One estimate claiming the state could be wasting as much as $350 million. Is the state wasting money when it comes to outsourcing some of its work?
Absolutely. This is a no-brainer.
But the governor's office counters that in many cases private contractors are cheaper and disputes some of those numbers.
I'm not sure I've ever seen anybody be able to back that number up.
So again, who's right? How much does the state really pay for private contractors to do state work? Get this, KCRA 3 Investigates confirmed that the state doesn't even know.
There's currently no easy way to track how many jobs are contracted for outside of state service.
Nor is there an easy way to follow the money, which is why Assemblyman Mike Ng is now pushing for a new law requiring far greater transparency than just the governor's website when it comes to the state's private contractors.
This bill, we estimate, could save upwards of $350 million a year.
In Sacramento, Mike Tassell, KCRA 3 reports.